Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your workplace from specific friends on the Facebook app using your PC, even after the latest update. If you want to keep your work details private from certain people, this step-by-step guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will take you straight to your profile page. Now you're inside your account. From here, find and click on the About section. This is where all your personal details are stored, including your work and education history. Next, look for the section labeled Work and Education. Click on it to see your workplace information. You'll notice your current workplace listed here. Right next to it, there's a small audience icon. This is usually a little globe, two heads, or something similar, depending on your privacy settings. Click on that audience icon. A menu will pop up, showing you who can see your workplace information. Select the option that says Friends Accept. This feature lets you share your workplace with all your friends, except the ones you specifically choose to hide it from. A list of your friends will appear. Scroll through and select the friends you want to exclude from seeing your workplace. Once you've made your selections, click Save Changes at the bottom of the menu. And that's it. Your workplace is now hidden from the friends you've chosen while still being visible to everyone else you allow. This is a great way to control your privacy and keep certain details just for yourself or a select group. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.